Lower your blood pressure naturally in just 1 hour with this juice. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple juice recipe that requires only 2 ingredients, which you probably already have at home. Want to know the name of this vegetable capable of reducing blood pressure so quickly? Beetroot. Consuming beetroot, whether in salads or juices, is an easy way to quickly lower blood pressure. In this video, we will teach you the best way to lower blood pressure using beetroot. And the best part is, aside from helping to control blood pressure, beetroot brings other benefits such as improves physical performance, strengthens the immune system, aids in the prevention and treatment of anemia, detoxifies the body, protects the nervous system, increases blood flow to the brain, also helps with depression. Wow! With all these benefits, I bet you're interested. The best way to consume beetroot is through juice, especially if you're one of those people who don't really enjoy eating vegetables. So, check out the recipe for a powerful beetroot juice. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized beetroots, 1 orange, chilled water, 1 lemon, optional, mint leaves to taste, optional. Instructions: wash the beetroots thoroughly, peel them, and cut them into pieces. Peel the orange and the lemon, removing the seeds. Put the beetroot, orange, and lemon in a blender and blend with chilled water until you achieve a homogeneous consistency. Strain the juice and serve with mint leaves for flavor. If you liked the recipe, like this video and share it with the people you care about.